Hi, friend. Welcome to our channel, a small place to learn English together, step by step. Today, we will learn how to ask about public transport, like buses, trains, and the subway. This helps you travel, explore new places, and feel confident, even if you're in a new city or country. Many people feel nervous when they must take a bus or train in a new place. Maybe you think, what if I get lost? Or what if I don't know the right stop? Oh, I remember my first bus ride here in the USA. I was so confused. I even got on the wrong bus. But it's okay. It happens to everyone, and you learn each time. So today, let's practice useful phrases and little tricks for asking about public transport. You will see you can do it. Let's start simple. The first tip, always use easy, polite words. Excuse me is your best friend. Say, excuse me before you ask anything, and people will want to help. For example, if you need to find the bus, say, excuse me, where is the bus stop? Let's practice together. Say it aloud. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Good. You can also say, excuse me, does this bus go downtown? Try, excuse me, does this bus go downtown? This helps you check you are on the right bus. Downtown is the center of the city, but you can change it. For example, excuse me, does this bus go to the library? Or, excuse me, does this train go to Main Street? If you are not sure about the bus time, ask, excuse me, what time is the next bus? Repeat after me. Excuse me, what time is the next bus? Very good. Here's my little secret. You can always use your hands to help. Point to a map or show your phone. People understand you want help, even if your words are not perfect. Mistakes are no problem. Everyone makes them, and people will usually smile and help you. Imagine this scene. You are at a bus stop in a new city. You feel a little nervous. You take a deep breath. You see a person waiting too. You walk over and say, softly, excuse me, is this the bus to the museum? They smile and say, yes, it comes in 10 minutes. Ah, what a relief. You did it. If you miss the bus, don't worry. Just say, I missed the bus. When is the next one? It's normal to wait. Use your phone to check the time. While you wait, you can practice English in your head. The next bus will come soon. I am patient. I can do this. Say these thoughts quietly to yourself. You can also write small reminders in your phone. Ask for help. Wait for bus number 10. Say, thank you. These tiny actions help you build your English day by day.
You are doing so well. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar to ask about the bus or train. Simple is best. If you feel shy, just smile. Smiles are a universal language. People can understand you, even if you make small mistakes. Next, try to listen to people around you. At the bus stop, maybe two people are talking. You might hear, is this the right bus? Or, how much is a ticket? Listen and repeat these phrases quietly. Try saying, "How much is a ticket?" Now you know how to ask about price. You can also say, "Where do I pay?" Many places have machines, or you pay the driver. Sometimes you need help finding your stop. Ask, "Can you tell me when we get to Main Street?" Repeat after me. "Can you tell me when we get to Main Street?" People like to help. If you are unsure, ask again. "Is this my stop?" Easy. You are brave for asking. Here's a tiny daily habit for you. Before you go out, write 3 phrases in your phone. "Excuse me, where is the train?" "Does this bus go to the market?" "How much is a ticket?" Read them 2 times. Practice saying them to your mirror. Then, try to use one in real life. It's a small step, but it builds your skill and confidence. If you get lost, don't worry. Say, "I think I am lost. Can you help me?" People will understand and help you. It's okay to feel nervous. Everyone feels this way sometimes. You are learning, and that is wonderful. Let's do a small dialogue. A. "Excuse me, is this bus for Central Park?" B. "Yes, it's coming soon." A. "Thank you. That helps." Practice saying both parts. Read it aloud with a friend or family member. If you are alone, imagine you are talking to someone at the bus stop. Every day, use your phone to set a little reminder. Practice my transport questions. Just 1 minute. Try speaking each phrase out loud. You can even record your voice and listen. You will hear your progress day after day. Last tip. Whenever you ride a bus, train, or subway, watch for signs. Read important words like "next stop" or "exit." Touch the map. Point when you ask a question. "Excuse me, does this train stop here?" Point to the place. Your words and hands work together. Remember, everyone learns by trying. Make small mistakes, learn, laugh, and try again. Public transport helps you see new places and meet new people. Your English helps you grow. You're doing great. Keep practicing every day. Mistakes mean progress. Oh, wow! You made it to the end. See you next time. Keep going. You are fantastic.